Have you ever wondered why they call it mining Bitcoin? Is it because there's a secret underground world where tiny digital dwarfs are chipping away at glittering code? Just a thought to ponder. Well, welcome to the roller coaster ride that is the history of Bitcoin, the first decentralized cryptocurrency. So, buckle up because it's quite a ride. Our journey begins in the year 2008, when an individual, or group we still don't know, under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the concept of Bitcoin in a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This was not just a revolutionary idea, it was the birth of a whole new era in the world of finance. Fast forward to January 3, 2009, Nakamoto mined the first block of the Bitcoin network, also known as the Genesis block or Block Zero. This marked the dawn of the first ever cryptocurrency, and no, there were no digital dwarfs involved, sadly. By the end of 2009, the first version of the open-source Bitcoin software was released. It was like the Wild West out there, with anyone and everyone being able to mine Bitcoin on their personal computers. Those were the days, eh? 2010 saw the first real-world transaction with Bitcoin. A programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Talk about an expensive meal. Today, those Bitcoins would be worth, well, let's just say he could have bought a lot of pizzas. Fast forward to 2013, Bitcoin reached the value of $1,000 for the first time. This was a significant milestone that marked Bitcoin's increasing acceptance and popularity. Then, 2017 happened, the year of the great Bitcoin boom. Bitcoin's value skyrocketed to nearly $20,000, creating instant millionaires and billionaires. Some people were buying Lamborghinis, while others were biting their nails, regretting not investing sooner. Of course, what goes up must come down. In 2018, Bitcoin's value plummeted, causing a massive sell-off. It was like a digital gold rush gone wrong. But like a phoenix, Bitcoin rose from the ashes, proving its resilience. To summarize, Bitcoin's history is a tale of innovation, risk, and resilience. From its creation by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, to the first Bitcoin transaction for 2 pizzas, from reaching the value of $1,000 to the great boom and bust, Bitcoin has proven to be a game changer in the world of finance. So, next time you hear about Bitcoin, remember, it's more than just a digital currency. It's a revolution that has changed the way we perceive value and conduct transactions, and who knows, maybe those tiny digital dwarfs are real after all. Winks. Join us again as we continue to unravel the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous, and most of all, stay tuned.